Hello, for Yamakwaba Attention TV. Said your munimon, a dear majeswo, a just one, yet not to say ya, nay, soon summon some quania de brown. It's a yet not to say, yet in soon summon some nebro, na me tramo, menche, me back me no penny o fiada, ye bedim come after a dear bakwa, Sebi air bonipa, where it's very, very important in our Christian life. It may trouble by this year. You able to afford Maba, baby, so them kwana me buy because I'm be tramming home, Maba. I go more penicas and aqua, but penicas, Maquaba. Yeah, Maquaba, TV. La, I know by only ever church, a path and tidy, and we are a month when you are Joe Hono. A percent so and they'll buy all the sacrament, the friend sacrament, what they are back. If I say, because I found it is with you.
When I say, mean, charity for what you for.
Yeah.
Now, your money palm piano. And your son, no one but
yeah.
No montier.
Okay.
I will say, come we are going to deep.
Okay.
Now, you want the potties here, and a time with the end permitted.
Okay.
But your bubble will be so
all right.
Now, you sacrament here, why we will us are not so full or a Catholic bishop one.
Yeah. When you say Catholic for partner, you
yes. And so, Onyame de Toma Comaso.
Okay.
Emma me to quite called the Asian country.
Wow.
India.
Wow.
They call India capital city from the capital city to Karanata. From Karanata, we could do a little 3 days.
Okay.
Yeah. Because me feel capital city they call Karanata. Me feel Mumbai. Yeah. I am capital city. Me to Numre. Na India quite
wapa.
Yeah. India quite
wow.
And I feel me die at the chin. They say me to me Jenny so.
Okay.
Then from there to Karanata, they do Karanata no. Me lodge hotel ho. Me did 3 days ho. I feel a Jenny na day. Ashas and I call you see mu and so you if you acquire could do I think it's 3 days on the journey.
Okay.
I could do a cry from Bangalore. A very nice city.
Wow.
Efeba.
Oh, okay.
Now, no Catholic church diner. I can say, a dime will buy 20, a direct cover by 20 plot. Wow. Now, as soon because I made the idea we have to Makuma say, is that me corner me coffee shim. Now, me who fapping, let me who in Chinabia. Now, what if I want to what issue? A church Catholic is a very powerful church, a spiritual church, a Catholic church. Wow. In the Miniam Roman 4, oh, what church now? You yam na kosum ye. I didn't see many. And see me could do chrono 3 days and you could do the next day. Okay. Spending 3 days on the journey. All right. Oh, bounce another 3 days.
6 days.
Yeah. It's a Yamek boy, my sacco kai. Okay. And when your money is some gentlemen can't be blue on today. I didn't see we say, oh, check it the sacrament. A one Emma was spiritual growth, spiritual growth. At the same time, a one for financial status. Wow. A more Christianity, a grow up. Wow. Now, a man yama be brain and also a idea or share your peja, a control yes. The whole world. Yeah, until the person will check the spiritual sacrament. Okay. A pope for qua, sacrone a friend Bangalore. Okay. I saw them be a bisu. Okay. A shisha glass. Wow. Eti mensa kan no me de abedua ma sori dem okay na eye adwuma so wonderful we me buy obi a oyare twere e twere sa da obi bedi adanse e pa yeah plebsy wow na ne papa ye sofo over almost 15 years 15 years wa wo bakra na ne ba wie poly na papa yi o te men kasa oba no no buy no class ada no me sampa mo no e say o sacrament na oba for okay ono so kita hwe and am say bi o say nkonya me di fu ye nkonya me fie nsapan nti wo de ko nti ampa papa ne ko ade chi oba okay na say nani able yes nani able nti onyankopon pagya ne nsama papa e bai oba susu nyuma bi e ko so bi ono awura the sacrament room no e kokobon ne mpaye wow Okobo mpa wiere Nyankopon lifting yare ne dey efiri no so. Wow. enti onyayaresa instantly
a training call and babium
Debbie.
Wow.
Debbie.
15 good years.
And no crown so wow.
Wow.
Yeah, my baby should join but one only. Yeah, my Jamestown area.
Okay.
Also, then a brother. Akokoma over 6 months at that hospital.
Okay.
Also, join but two nyame abasaka the sacrament no. Yesu we na ehia no. And then nsoma ye kan no. And no na ehia no. Eche mesa alcohol. The Mary Magdalene who tiuni Mary Konkron.
Okay.
Me de ba be come home.
Wow.
Enti me nua bi e wo Nigeria, also a very great man of God.
Yeah.
Ebuka, the apostle Ebuka, prophet.
Yeah.
Also kita sacrament in this.
Okay.
Now he was holding over millions crowd. Enti sacrament ya kasi ye beka ho asemo a. Edoso. Enya fa sa wo ba na wo hia pa ya wo incense. Candles ne de bi ba kole bi wade no ho dada. Enti wo hye wo incense no, then you put your request. Na mo sabi oba wa bu ni nsa no ntimi nkoda sacrament room ho. Ensa wo hu ufi ni mu. Na afa utimi ba so obi hwa me bia na yanka eno so ba kwaye bibi foforo. Oba de ubu nsa wo ho nte efin wo ho. Enti ye beka ni nyina no one of the thing na ye hwe se ye reshape na yama ayefe na ahye nunyam enti obi bia wo hwe me no me pese ye research kakra what me be
sacrament is a sacred Christian rite and visible symbol for spiritual
right. What I say enti we enya bosum sem eye ade a e control wiase one say light bi ma hwe bi su dem e wo nsem a you go with the prayers. Then you say it, and it instantly is going to happen.
Wow. Yo, Tvgh said you do for Cano. What if already I said about 2,000, but Tvgh can have numbers.
My number is 0543
0543
41
91 60.
Yeah. The next line is 0553 40 14 62.
Me pato so how bia said you Cano. Because a trader said you be penny a play or buy and also 15 years he has been having problem for several years, but of course sacrament in anymore and what then papa it will bo abrabomu nkonya bi dan so no me e bi enya ya e betima bo ara mane.
Why not?
Okay,
so obi a wire trade for 15 good years na a trade so ma de ba ukoni pemu a
na esa ba wo
e na eba wo e na eba and mguasie yare enti na me kan say metwa say obekoso for example for spiritual growth no example financial system. Yeah me person tie for ntie o.
Okay, all right.
And a pure for Christians. Enti obi bisa so ye den na unsa kan you see mikita odum bia when he bomb so a obepema say.
Okay.
Enti pope no opema sem.
Wow.
Banglo. Emma brofo na be see me e da me to wie brofo bi na be see me o de me call round Saturday Christmas o de me call shop ko didi just say it was so beautiful Emma ne broni ne e baba Ghana for August.
Okay,
na broni no Ghana. Wow. Enti e yade a e hye nunyam nipa bia no when you ada say wo to nwum ade a pepa ye worship.
Okay,
say bia ye worship na wakọ anim. I tell you it's over you. Over you. And reveals secrets in your life.
Wow.
Manyankopon bem. Sharing. So me person okay ka krama atie for. It's one of the things which is I'm cherish so much.
Sacrament for Christian initiation, for baptism, for confirmation, and also helps in healing.
Yes.
Wow.
Enti we cry babo so a me call ho no.
Yeah.
There was almost so neat. Roman saw them be a Catholic church be a me ensure that home.
Yeah.
Now rituals koso. That's a Ghana Catholics them someone yahwe.
Really?
Wow. Yes. Some more pictures, your pictures be your machines so. Both are Catholic church is a spiritual church.
Wow.
What does it? Wait, but where's near there so yellow color.
Okay.
Then you add a column to say about body for the water.
Yeah.
Then you proceed.
Okay.
Now a run is with you on Bible. What I say?
Yeah.
it bring the shine of God upon your house.
Wow.
And I feel quite we so say wa we am betimi dey about fie.
Okay.
Na ma spiritual no ya be bia no na ya cleanse fie no ana se fie foforo if you that crafia so a ya bompa with the peace of the Lord and the sacrament of the Lord be with this house. Ti jamada da bia esi fie nim. Na ye foforo gum. And you need wo we a chena wi ase. Yet me fa nyama bebre wo ho ntudwa. Eti to aso kakra ma tiefo. Esayade
anointing of the sick. Sacrament at the service of communion.
Communion. Enti wo yare ne ya bompa me anointing wo ya ma communion. Communion no ade animu.
Oh, okay.
E shame.
Wow.
Enti it's a whole lot.
Wow.
Enti se me ka se me ka ya sorry ne. Because nyama sacrament here da foforo. Ya baba be the side of the sacrament.
Yeah.
The side of the sacrament.
Wow. Now, for financial benefit,
yes,
breakthrough,
yes,
and prosperity.
Prosperity.
Wow.
And you just say it and it will be done. You say it,
it will be done.
It will be done. Provided I say what clean heart.
Okay. Do you want to be a new team?
Yes. No kata usuti neat. Roman for no me who do say so nyina abakoto form.
Wow.
Yeah. Christmas they do Bangla no.
Yeah.
They blow the trumpet and every house. Afi when kwa light no so kronum. No be akoto kata ni so then they seek the favor of God. Na oni bibi.
With you.
Me do krobia ewia every kron spread for we are singing.
Wow.
Na and so a kwan so a.
Okay.
Enti udua ewia ma no ho fe pa.
The daughters of the sun.
Enti meba be kire we ni ewia no.
Okay.
Juma edie.
All right.
Enti sun so mesika.
Okay.
Now through this because the shining of God no the beautiful for baby enti the Mary Magdalene no ya mama no.
Okay.
It was great woman. Enti obi anwane mra no me bompa sacrament nanim oba wa for the kakra bi
no bo
so just here no abo then you buy anointing was sacrament nanim and automatically
you are blessed.
Things will turn around.
Things will turn around. And as a pastor would do for when you tear for attention TV tear for check sacrament information and the benefit. It obi person ba but we try kai way.
They were Ablekuma Agape William Street.
All right.
And you do Pentecost Junction. The free Pentecost Junction by church just walking distance. Baby Anna when he has Benanti. What I catch taxi down for going in answer, we go different tree. Sorry, Anna, sorry now, I will Roman for lane so. All
right. Yeah, that's it for. But our last words.
The last word I'm money pass Abrabon
Mbaby. The memo be
still searching. We say my sorry, you didn't search it. Matthew 7:7.
Ask and it shall be given.
It shall be given. Into one young tree about say very fair. Yeah, that's it. Tend to bless.
Yen to your boss and yen share near Intiende, won't no tomorrow more. Now on so dear, O person was Sakibia, Yamia Bow, and I'm now called D4 entry now Saka. Yadamasia Cramo, a Patonia subscriber, no one subscribe to the page, no one like, no one share, and the amount of be non sweet, no one so sweet. I didn't want to say, soon, some way, a bois bravo. Yadamase, Yakram.